Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Anton application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the avatar icon down below, which is the last option. Now click on settings. Scroll down till you find the language version section and tap on it. Scroll down till you find the one that you would like to change it for, or you would like to update the language. Tap on the relevant one, scroll down till you find the save button down below and tap on it. So now the language version of the application has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.